Hello, welcome to Just Create. My name is Gabe Sheffield, and today we talk about how having no lights is no problem. Let's begin. Alright, so I'm sure many of you have heard of the law of diminishing returns. And the law of diminishing returns is basically saying the more you spend on an item, the less you are getting in return for the amount of money that you spend. Well, I have my own theory, which means that you pay for ease of use. So the more money you spend on something, normally the easier it is to use. The reason I bring this up is because today we're talking about not having lighting equipment. And lighting equipment can become very, very expensive. But the number one free lighting source that there is the sun. Now the sun does present some challenges as the sun can be very harsh. So you have two options. Either A, you can diffuse the sun, which you will need a big piece of diffusion, or B, you can shoot during golden hour. Golden hour is the first hour of the day where the sun is rising and the last hour of the day when the sun is setting. So if the sun rises at 5:15, from 5:15 to 6:15 a.m., it's golden hour. And if the sun sets at 7:15, from 6:15 to 7:15, it's golden hour. Now, remember I said you're paying for ease of use. So if you had lighting equipment, essentially you could set your lights up and shoot at any time of the day. But being that you don't have that lighting equipment, you're gonna have to work a little bit harder. Now shooting at golden hour does have its advantages as it's a nice, beautiful, soft light and gives you these nice warm tones. But since golden hour is only an hour, you're gonna have to work hard and be efficient, which means plan out your shots before you get to your location so that you run through those shots efficiently and smoothly and you're able to capture everything you wanted to. So today I'm gonna give you an example of how you can do a nice little shoot without having any lighting equipment. Let's begin.
I have dreams, but this world can make your dreams seem intimidating. There's over 7 billion people in this world, and millions of them have the same dream as me. So what makes me special? Why me? It's the work. Do the work.
All right, there you have it. A way to do a complete shoot without having any lighting equipment. Now I know this was a quick shoot, but if you wanted to do a longer video or a longer film, then you're probably gonna have to plan your shoot out over the course of days, which does require a little bit more work. And again, you're paying for ease of use. So since this is free light, you're gonna have to work a little bit harder and again, be efficient because every day you go out there to shoot, you're only gonna have that hour to work with. So I hope this helped you not allow lighting equipment to be a reason why you don't create. Remember, there will always be 1,001 reasons why you shouldn't create, but you only need one reason to do it. No excuses, just create.